Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Inshallah, today you will learn Madani Qaida lesson number 5. Let's read some rules first. Lesson number 5, Tanween. Two zabar, two zair, and two pesh are called Tanween. A letter which has a Tanween on it is called Munawwan. In fact, Tanween is a noon sakina that is at the end of the word. That is why Tanween sounds like a noon sakina. For example, an, in, un. Spell out the examples of Tanween as follows. Mim two zabar man, mim two zair min, mim two pesh mun, man, min, mun. Sometimes alif or ya is shown after two zabar. Do not pronounce it during spelling. You can see the signs on top of the letters and below the letters. So all of these signs are tanween. Two zabar, two zair, and two pesh. If you see the first box, you can see a sign on top of ta. So this is two zabar. In the second box, it is two zair. In the third box, it is two pesh. And these two zabar, two zair, and two pesh, these signs are called tanween. Let's start reading from line 1. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. And one more thing, that you can spell it as ta two zabar tan, as well as you can spell it as we do in Urdu, the ta do zabar tan. Both are right. So we will do as ta do zabar tan because it is easier to do. Ta do zabar tan, ta do zir tin, ta do pesh tun, tan, tin, tun. To do zabar ton, to do zir tin, to do pesh tun, ton, tin, tun. You have to read this ta with thick tone because it is from Mustalia letters. Next line. Za do zabar zan, za do zir zin, za do pesh zun, zan, zin, zun. Dal do zabar dhan. You have to read it without whistle. Dal. Put the tongue under the upper teeth and read dal do zabar dhan. Dal do zir din. Dal do pesh dun. Dhan, din, dun. If you read as zal do zabar zan, zal do zir zin, zal do pesh zun, zan, zin, zun, it is wrong because you are reading with whistle. So do not read it with whistle, read without whistle as I write. Next line. Tho do zabar dhon. Tho is also pronounced without whistle sound and with thicker voice because tho is from Mustalia letters. If you read as za do zabar zan, za do zin, it is wrong. So read without whistle and with thick tone. Tho do zabar dhon, tho do zir win, tho do pesh dhun, dhun, dhin, dhun. Tha do zabar than, without whistle. Tha. If you say sa do zabar san, it's wrong because tha is pronounced without whistle. So read as I am reading. Tha do zabar than, tha do zir thin, tha do pesh thun, than, thin, thun. Next line. Sin do zabar san, sin do zir sin, sin do pesh sun, san, sin, sun. Sod do zabar son, sod do zir sin, sod do pesh sun, son, sin, sun. You have to read sod with thick tone because it is also from Mustalia letters. Next page. Dal do zabar dan, dal do zir din, dal do pesh dun, dan, din, dun. Dod do zabar don, dod do zir din, dod do pesh dun, don, din, dun. You have to read dod with thick tone because it is also from Mustalia letters. کاف دو زبر کن، کاف دو زیر کن، کاف دو پیش کن، کن کن کن. قوف دو زبر قن، قوف دو زیر قن، قوف دو پیش قن، قن قن قن. You have to read this qaf with 2 dots in thick tone because it is also from musta'liya letters. Ha do zabar han, ha do zir hin. Read it from the bottom part of your throat. Ha do pesh hun, han hin hun. Ha do zabar han, ha do zir hin, ha do pesh hun, han hin hun. You have to read this ha from the middle part of your throat. Do not mix up between these two ha, because the first one is pronounced from the bottom part and the second one is from the middle part. So be careful while pronouncing these two letters. Next line. Hamza do zabar an, Hamza do zir in, Hamza do pesh un, an in un. Ain do zabar an. Pronounce it from the middle part of your throat as I am pronouncing. Listen to me carefully and read as I am reading. Ain do zabar an, Ain do zir in, Ain do pesh un, an in un. Next line. Kha do zabar khun, Kha do zir khin, Kha do pesh khun, khun khin khun. Ghain do zabar ghan, Ghain do zir ghin, Ghain do pesh ghun, ghan ghin ghun. Ba do zabar ban, Ba do zir bin, Ba do pesh bun, ban bin bun. Mim do zabar man, Mim do zir min, Mim do pesh mun, man min mun. Waw do zabar wan, Waw do zir win, Waw do pesh wun, wan win wun. Fa do zabar fan, Fa do zir fin, Fa do pesh fun, fan fin fun. Lam do zabar lan, Lam do zir lin, Lam do pesh lun, lan lin lun. Noon do zabar nan, Noon do zir nin, Noon do pesh nun, nan nin nun. Ra do zabar ran, Ra do zir rin, Ra do pesh run, run rin run. Jim do zabar jan, Jim do zir jin, Jim do pesh jun, jan jin jun. Shin do zabar shan, Shin do zir shin, Shin do pesh shun, shan shin shun. Ya do zabar yan, Ya do zir yin, Ya do pesh yun, yan yin yun. Alhamdulillah, you have learned lesson number 5. Inshallah tomorrow you will read lesson number 6.